Indices and metals both have started the week on a weaker note. Now gold trading at 1980 and silver below $25. Now what to expect today, which position you should take and at what levels in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session, precisely 12 hours, 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the level. If you look at gold's movement, see the drop, retracement, and now again it has resumed its downward journey. Now, possibly once it trades below 1978, that is the level below which further bearishness can be seen. And if you see it trading below 1974, that is the level below which further more bearishness may prevail, which is going to take it below 1970. Now, 1970 is the level which I will wait for gold to break today. And if it trades below 1970, then only further more bearishness is going to be seen. So the selling level today is 1978, below which you can take a sell entry. At the same time, if you are buying here, wait for 1987 levels to be breached and specifically 1990 levels to be breached in order to confirm a reversal and a rise. Till 1990, do not consider this as bullish. So in between 1990 and 1970, we have to remain cautious. That is very, very clear. Now see, as I said, drop, rise, drop. It is looking downwards. Probably we might see a slight downward move. Stochastic looking down. MACD on the other hand on the hourly charts have crossed over for a bullish move, you can see. And this crossover is happening at a bottom at a lower levels. So we have to wait which direction it takes on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts still there is little room for an upside move. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish here. If you look at 2-hour charts, now see, similar is the formation on the 2-hour charts, but at the same time, couple of points to see here is the sideways movement which gold is showing on the 2-hour charts. You can see bottom here at around 1970 and the highs at around 2010 levels. This is the zone where we have to remain cautious. Right now it is trying to look down. However, it has got very, very good support at 74, 75 and then 1970 levels. Only if you see it trading below 1970, we can say that it is trying to break. If you look at the near term charts, see drop, retracement and again trying to look downwards. Probably 1974, 72 and 70. Till 70, it can try to achieve the lows before trying to reverse. Now, see if you look at the moving averages have also started to diverge. But remember, as the farther it diverges, the stronger it tries to convert. The farther it diverges, the stronger it tries to convert. And 1990 is the level above which only further reversal confirmation is there. The stochastic has come to comfortable levels. The MACD is still bearish. It is divergent and it is looking down, but it is still trading at the lower end of the support. So yes, possibility of a conversion from here exists, hence you have to remain watchful. RSI looking down. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the formation on the 3-hour charts. And remember, this is the first red candle. Possibility of a second red candle exists, which might take it till towards 1970 or below levels. But till 1970, we have to be watchful. It is still trading in the box. Very much clear here. Also, if you look at the stochastic, this has come to comfortable levels. It was oversold and now have recovered a bit. The MACD is still bearish. It is still looking downward. It is still divergent. However, it is at near bottom levels. So this zone is making me cautious. So yes, you can sell at 1978 though. But then be watchful, alert, cautious till 70. Stochastic, RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, the zone of consolidation. That is why once again re-emphasizing the same levels. And see, the stochastic have recovered. It is trading at the bottom. At the same time, MACD trading at divergence, trading at bottom, trading bearish. Possibility of convergence exists from here. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the daily. Now if you look at the daily charts, a step here and then higher lows are trying to attempt and achieve towards 74, 75 exists. And in fact, once it drops below 70, further bearishness. Same observation here. Lower highs, higher lows. So far, it is still trying to consolidate. Any move above 85 is a good level for you to buy. If you see gold trading above 1985, you should buy here. Wait for it to break past 1990 levels, and once 1990 is done, more bearishness is going to be seen. Stochastic looking down, trying to trade bearish. See the MACD is still divergent bearish. It is trying to look down. It is trying to trade bearish here. And as I told you several times in my previous analysis, daily as well as weekly, this crossover has happened at a higher levels. It is trying to look down. It may try to trade slightly bearish. RSI is also looking down. Considering this, you can sell at 78. However, remember 74, 75 levels and then 1970 levels. Till 1970, do not consider this as bearish. It can show you a recovery. It is still trying to consolidate, but any breach below 1970 will be a good sign for you to stay short. So take a sell entry at 1970 or 78 and be alert till 70. Trail your stop losses till 70, and below that further bearishness is going to be seen. Above 1985 you can buy, but wait for it to break past 1991 levels. Re-emphasize same levels again and again, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before I proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver's movement here. See the drop, retracement, and see the movement size and the lows there. The lows here, the delta is different, and now in fact even if it tries to drop, remember 2490 is a very good support, and below that only further bearishness is going to be seen. Now on the upside we can see lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to trade in this channel. We have to watch for it to either give a breakout on the upside or downside. 2480, 2520 is the zone where we have to be extremely cautious. Now look at the hourly charts more closely. You can find, see it has reversed from 2515 levels, and couple of sharp red candles have been seen right now, and it is trying to recover a bit. Now see, if it tries to recover a bit, still consider this is as a retracement levels. It may try to trade in this zone where 2520 levels are achievable, and yet should be not be considered as a reversal levels. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is trading at bottom on the hourly charts, and hence it calls for a recovery. Let's see if it does. RSI trading comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Now if you look at 4-hour chart, same observation, drop, retracement, drop again, and the delta here is decreasing. Bulls are diminishing, bearishness is diminishing. That is what I can say. Also, if you look at right now, it is showing you higher lows, lower highs, still very much in the retracement levels. Yes, if you see the bearishness there, you can find the 20 and 50 period moving average have crossed over. However, the 20 and 100 period moving average are still very much intact. A good entry for sell is below 2490, and yes, you can try to initiate a buy at 2510. However, 2520 levels is something which I will wait for it to break past by. Stochastic recovered. MACD is still bearish on the 2-hour charts for silver, and it is still looking down. RSI is also trying to look down, trying to give slight bearishness. Now look at 3-hour. Now if you observe 3-hour charts more closely, see first of all this was the more bearish pattern. Then you can see the retracement level, higher highs, and it has come to this zone. Now you can still say that it is trying to consolidate here, and more consolidation can be expected. So in between this zone, at least 2520, 2480, we have to remain extremely watchful. Now interestingly, the 100 period crossover is 100 period moving average is little below, while there is a 20 and 50 period moving average are trading with divergence. So it is still in the no trade zone. Yes, you have to wait for it to break past 2510 in order to confirm the rise there. Still, even if it breaks beyond 2510, I will wait for it to give the confirmation about 2520, 2530 levels, which is the strongest resistance for silver, above which it is going to fly high. RSI is stochastic looking down. MACD is still divergent and bearish. Sub-zero levels it is trading at. RSI almost flat. And if you look at 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Wait for it to break past 2490 in order to sell there. So in between 2490, 2510, be watchful. Stochastic flat at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trying to look downwards, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Now look at daily. Similar is the observation on the daily charts. Yes, about 2510 you can expect a little rise, and then 2520, 2530 levels it needs to breach past by in order to confirm the rise, as this is still in the zone of consolidation. Support there at 2480 and 2490 is very strong. Stochastic looking down. MACD, now look at MACD. This is divergent, this is bearish, this is looking down. This crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels, and hence the bearishness might prevail. The RSI is also looking downwards. So considering this, sell at 2490. Specifically wait for 2480 levels to be breached, and then I will wait for it to directly hit 2460 and 2450 levels, very strong support, and below that we may see it dropping further for 2420, $24 levels, which are the next strongest support levels. If not today, possibly this week it may try to attempt if it stays below 2550-60 zone. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, buy at 2510 is a good entry. However, wait for 2520 first target, 2530 second target, 2550 levels the next target. If it stays above 2550, sky's the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship badge and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.